I never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me, it was good to know ya. I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no, I never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me, it was good to know ya. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, TSO Day here, coming at you from the gravel pit. Got the Tamiya Midnight Pumpkin behind me. Been bashing that thing a little bit, put one pack through it. Really having a ball with that thing. That is a cool truck right there. Super fun. I have never driven a lunchbox, but they're almost identical except for the bodies, so I assume a lunchbox handles about the same way. Anyway, I've been thinking, with all the crap that's going on right now, I'm going to try to be posting some more videos for you guys who aren't as fortunate as me and live way out in the middle of nowhere and you're on lockdown right now. Hopefully I'll give you something kind of fun to watch, maybe. I know my videos aren't the best, but you guys are cool and you seem to like them, so maybe try to upload some more videos for the RC community just in these times when a lot of you guys might be on lockdown or something crazy like that. So on location today at the gravel pit, just finished up doing some freestyle flying with the Tiny Hawk. Figured it'd be kind of cool to maybe give you guys a bit of a freestyle aerial view of where I run my RCs a lot of times. This place is huge. We're on the, let's see, what would be sort of the east end of it right now. It goes way back there. I took some freestyle video back there earlier. And of course got the Midnight Pumpkin. Walk around the back here. I don't know if we're gonna have time to run all these today because we got some weather moving in. Got the Gen 8 toolboxes, of course, mandatory, and the Gen 7 super muddy, my boy's rig. But yeah, it's really cooled down a lot the past couple days here, so starting to sprinkle a little bit, and we'll just do some running, and I hope you guys enjoy the video as always. Are you? The dog loves RC, what can I say? Boy's legs are getting tired, so I'm carrying him as we're driving.
Dad, my battery's starting to die.
Your battery's starting to die?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get back to the rig.